The future of AI, cool. Are we talking utopia or full societal collapse? Depends who you ask. A tech CEO says, it's going to solve everything. He's crying. But like in a rich way, your grandma says it winked at me. I threw holy water, so yeah, mixed signals. Utopia version? No jobs, no traffic, emails write themselves. To-do lists do themselves. You spend your afternoons finger painting with your inner child. But small catch, you don't own this paradise, you subscribe to it. $19.99 month for Happiness Pro. Free trial ends yesterday and collapse. Oh boy, collapse is spicy. You wake up one morning and your job's been replaced by a JPEG of a robot doing finger guns. Your resume, filtered out for excessive humanity, deepfakes everywhere. You watch a video of your mom robbing a bank, she's knitting next to you. Meanwhile, world leaders are in an AI arms race. The prize? A robot that can blink sarcastically before launching a missile. One AI lab literally said, "This model is too dangerous to release." So naturally, they released it. Now it does consulting for toddlers. In Mandarin, the truth, AI isn't good or bad. It's fast, it's cheap, it's dead behind the eyes, and it doesn't care about your startup, or your screenplay, or your hopes. It cares about metrics. And those metrics say you're not trending. For the 1%, AI is a money printer with a smoothie function. For the rest, it's a polite little pop-up that says, "Thanks for playing." You've been optimized out. So what's the future? All of it, utopia and collapse, happening simultaneously, like watching the Titanic sink while someone on deck gets a promotion. And in 10 years, you'll still be asking, is this fine? To an AI that's live streaming your meltdown to boost engagement for ads. About AI. Subscribe to Outsmart AI, and thanks for watching.